Hi, I'm Dave with Vacuum Wizard, and today we'll be reviewing the Hoover Tempo. It is a bagged vacuum, and the bag is stored right in here. In order to get to the bag, you gotta pull down, and here's the bag. This is the filter. It also has a small filter on board, which is right here. You do not have to replace this. It's just like almost like a scrubbing brush that you would use. So it's pretty simple. If you want to clean it, you just wash it out.